How to reset Weverse password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting your Weverse password. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device. Simply launch it and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from this page, tap on My Account that is beside your name in the top of the screen. Once you do that, it will open a web browser with your info section, and there you will see the option and password that is between name and country option. Tap on Settings, and here you can go ahead and enter a new password that you'd like to set and confirm the same password in the next field. Check this box of change the password and log out from all devices to secure your account, and then tap on change password. So this method is for the people who directly log in to their Weverse account using their email or Google. But if you logged in or sign up to your Weverse account using your password and email ID, here you will see the option of old password first, and you need to enter the old password followed by the new password and confirm the new password and change the password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.